What's up, guys? Today we're making these blueberry wellness shots, so let's get to it. So what we're going to do is you're going to take your lemons and we're just going to pit them. You don't want to keep the rind on it because we're going to put that in our blender. So we're just going to take the inside out, and then we're going to cut up our ginger, and then we're going to take our blender and we're just going to put in our coconut milk, and then we're going to add in our lemons, our blueberries, our ginger, and then we're going to add in our apple cider vinegar and our honey. And you're literally just going to blend that up. You can use any honey you want, but I like to use the raw kind just because it's a lot healthier for you. But after you get all of that in there, we're just going to blend it, and then you can use whatever you want, but I use a Juve juicer just because it gets like, there's no pulp in them. But if you have like a rice bag, I don't know, you can use whatever the fuck you want, and then just juice it. If you do use the Juve juicer, it's great, but you have to do it in increments because the pulp will get stuck in there. And then after that, we're literally just going to pour them into our bottles, and these will last for about a week in the fridge, and they should make 7 of them. Just if you want to do 14, just double it up. But with these, because of all of the pulp, it just doesn't get as much juice out, and that's it. All right, bon appetit, y'all. Ooh, I feel like a healthy bitch already.